A Trump-appointed attorney made so many mistakes prosecuting James Comey that the charges against him may get dismissed. Or with U.S. Magistrate Judge William Fitzgerald saying in a ruling today, the record points to a disturbing pattern of profound investigative missteps that led an FBI agent and a prosecutor to potentially undermine the integrity of the grand jury proceeding. With the judge going after the prosecutor's decision to review evidence that the FBI seized years earlier without securing a new warrant, as well as they're allowing an FBI agent to testify to the grand jury, even though this person may have been exposed to material shielded by attorney-client privilege. And that's in addition to the judge finding that acting U.S. Attorney Lindsey Halligan made statements to grand jurors harmful to Comey's legal rights. But also, it's hard to blame Halligan for handling this case so poorly because she had no prosecutorial experience just a couple of months ago. Right before all this, she literally worked in real estate law and represented Trump in civil litigation. Right, she only got this job after her predecessor refused to do Trump's bidding and bring a case against Comey despite the lack of solid evidence. But then Halligan had no such problem and quickly brought the case before a grand jury in September. And you had Comey then pleading not guilty to the charges of making false statements and obstructing a congressional investigation. Right, and that specifically related to a testimony that he gave to the Senate Judiciary Committee back in 2020 about a previous leak to the press regarding an FBI investigation into the Clinton Foundation. Right, at the time of Comey's indictment, you had Attorney General Pam Bondi releasing a statement saying, Comey stated that he did not authorize someone at the FBI to be an anonymous source. According to the indictment, that statement was false, and then adding, no one is above the law. But now the judge has ordered that grand jury materials be turned over to Comey's defense lawyers. And that's big because grand jury materials are typically protected by strict secrecy rules. And while the judge acknowledged this, saying this is an extraordinary remedy, he also said, given the factually based challenges the defense has raised to the government's conduct and the prospect that government misconduct may have tainted the grand jury proceedings, disclosure of grand jury materials under these unique circumstances is necessary to fully protect the rights of the accused. But for now, let me know your thoughts, opinions, and reactions, and there's more to come here, so follow to stay in the loop.